Can I show you something crazy? One-person businesses with 0 employees are creating more millionaires right now than any other business at any other point in history. Can you guess why? AI agents. AI agents have now made it possible for one single person to build and grow an entire online business alone and launch it at record speed without a team of people and without needing to hire a single employee. And can I tell you something even crazier? You don't have to be a tech bro, know how to code, or even know how to use AI to do this, because AI agents are now at the point where complete beginners can use them to build whatever online business you want, just by chatting with them. You don't even need a detailed prompt anymore. And do you want to know the real truth that no one tells you about building your online business with AI? Creating the website, the online store, and the product is actually the easy part. But the thing that actually makes you money are the things that come after that, like driving traffic, responding to emails, writing marketing content, implementing SEO. But these are the things that no one shows you and things that take you the longest to do, right? Actually, that's not right. These things used to take a lot of time, but now, thanks to AI agents, the entire process from building and growing your business, including getting traffic, can be done almost entirely by AI. And this is why one-person businesses are suddenly exploding, creating more millionaires than ever before. Now, obviously, I'm not promising you'll make $1 million instantly or anything like that, but the data clearly shows that learning how to use AI agents is one of the biggest factors if you want to build a successful one-person business, because money loves speed. And I promise you that learning how to use and implement AI agents into your own one-person business is a lot easier than you think, even if you're a beginner. And that's what I'm going to show you in this video: how to use AI agents as a beginner to grow your one-person business, the easy way. Let me show you. So here on my screen, you can see my AI agents at work helping me build my newest online business, working away while I'm literally talking to you. And the platform I'm using to access these AI agents is Hostinger. And if you're wondering why I'm not using Claude Code for this, it's because Hostinger is an online business platform that was specifically built, trained, and coded to help solopreneurs build an online business. Claude Code is not. It's complicated to set up, and it also doesn't have any pre-built agents at all. You have to build, train, and code them yourself. Where Hostinger has a library of AI agents pre-trained with business-specific skills to complete all of the tasks needed to build a one-person business. You can see all the pre-built agents right here. There's a business advisor agent, creative writer agent, SEO consultant, marketing planner, legal advisor, customer comms, and sales and outreach agent. And when you click on them, you can see all of the pre-trained skills each one has that you can use. So you don't have to train them yourself, unlike Claude. I'll show you how to access your own Hostinger AI agents in just a second, but first I want to show you what they're capable of so you can see with your own eyes how fast they really are. Watch. So for this example, I'm going to use the new online business idea I've personally been working on, which is my ADHD digital planner business. I haven't actually launched this business yet because I'm still building it just like you. But I want to show you how you can use Hostinger's AI agents to drive traffic by using my own business as an example. To use the AI agents, from your Hostinger dashboard, I'm going to click on Agents. And then from the Agent dashboard, I'm going to click on Skills. Then for the first example, I'm going to choose the Marketing Planner agent, because I want help getting traffic to my new ADHD planner business. And you can see all of the skills the marketing agent has access to right here. Things like creating social media and email campaigns, writing newsletters, auditing your social media account, how to grow an email list, and lots of other marketing and traffic related skills. So once the marketing agent opens, all you have to do is talk to it like a regular person. One of my favorite things about the Hostinger agents is that you don't have to give them detailed prompts, which is really helpful for beginners. Watch. All I'm going to do is upload a link to my ADHD planner website and say something like, here's a link to my new one-person business where I sell ADHD digital planners. Check out the website, the products, then tell me how I can start driving traffic using 1 or 2 simple traffic methods to start with. Now, real quick, I want to mention that I created a checklist to go along with this tutorial. It's completely free, includes every step I cover in this video, and you can get it through the link in the description below. Now, when I hit submit on this chat, the AI agent gets to work instantly, reviewing the info on my website, my product pages, and in a few seconds creates a full traffic plan for me. Look, here you can see it told me that Pinterest is the #1 traffic source it recommends. Why it recommends it, And you can see it's not just a generic Pinterest strategy for any business. It tells me how to implement organic Pinterest marketing specifically for my exact products and brand. Now, if you've watched any of my other videos, you know I always recommend Pinterest as one of my favorite free traffic sources for digital products. So I 100% agree with what this AI agent told me to do. Now, this is obviously just a starting point, but from my own experience, I can confirm it's not just giving me basic AI recommendations. But let me show you what else it said, because here you can see it also gave me a second traffic strategy, which is email marketing, plus a free lead magnet. Now, when you're doing this, you can either keep going further, asking the AI agent to go into more detail, or give you even more traffic ideas. I'm just showing you how simple it is to use AI agents as a beginner. But for this video, I'm going to ask the AI agent to continue with the Pinterest marketing plan by clicking this option here that it gave me, telling it to create a 30-day Pinterest marketing plan for me in more detail. And again, in just a few seconds, the marketing agent creates a 30-day Pinterest marketing plan for me, telling me exactly what to do each week, specifically for my business, website, and products. Feel free to pause the video here if you want to see what it says as I scroll. But again, what I want you to focus on the most isn't what the agent is specifically saying in this video, but how much time using one AI agent can save you. Remember, money loves speed, and speed is what the AI agents are giving you. Now, let's take this one step further and ask the AI agent to keep going and actually create a Pinterest pin that follows its plan. Let's really test it to see how good it actually is. Because as I'm sure you know, having a plan is one thing, but actually implementing it and creating the content is a whole other thing. So I'm going to tell the AI agent to go ahead and create an example pin for my product that follows their exact traffic plan. All I'm going to say is, create one Pinterest pin following the strategy you just created for me for my ADHD planner business. Again, no complicated prompt because the AI agent already knows about my business, is already trained with skills to build a business, and has already created a Pinterest strategy for me. I don't have to give it all kinds of extra details or instructions. It already knows. Watch. In less than 60 seconds, the marketing agent creates a perfect Pinterest pin for me. But not only that, it also created the pin title, the pin description, which Pinterest board I should post it to, and the strategy it followed to create all of this. And when I click on the Pinterest pin image, look how great this is. It even includes a text hook and emojis to grab the attention of our target audience. It would probably take me at least 10 to 20 minutes to create something like this if I was doing it myself. All you have to do is download the image by clicking right here, then post it on your Pinterest account, copying and pasting the pin title and description from the AI agent's response, and you're done. And remember, this was just one example of how you can use Hostinger's AI agents to help you drive traffic. There's so much the Hostinger agents can do, I don't have time to show you everything in one video. So I need to keep going because I still want to show you 2 other ways that Hostinger's agents can help you monetize your one-person business. Now I want to show you how the agents can help you get more organic search traffic from Google. Watch. This time I'm going to select the SEO consultant agent. Now I'm sticking with the traffic theme for this example again because you've told me over and over in the comments that traffic is the thing you struggle with most. So watch what happens when I enter my website into the SEO consultant agent chat and ask it how to improve the SEO for my business. Again, I'm not giving it a complicated prompt, just one simple sentence that you can see here, along with my website URL. Audit my new online business website and create an SEO plan for me to improve my ranking as quickly as possible, including what to do and how to do it. Then when I hit submit, you can see the agent analyzes my website, my pages, the code behind all the pages, and in a few seconds creates a full SEO audit for me. It explains what I've done right, but also what needs to be fixed ASAP to improve my search ranking and help my business get found when people are searching. And as I scroll, you can see again, this isn't just a generic SEO audit or plan. It goes into detail about my actual website and business and tells me specifically what needs to be fixed, including the exact keywords I need to target with their average search volume. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, Stacy, this is great, but I have no idea how to actually do the SEO changes. I'm not a coder and I don't know how to edit or make any changes to the SEO of my website. I don't want you to worry because I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. But in full transparency, the AI agents themselves can't make changes to your website for you, at least not yet. But I built my website using Hostinger Horizons, which is an AI vibe coding tool. I showed you how I vibe coded this website in this tutorial if you want to check it out after this. But to make these SEO changes, all I have to do is come back to my Hostinger dashboard, click on Horizons to open the vibe coding tool, Then click here to open my website in the Horizons editor. Then all I have to do is prompt Horizons to make the SEO changes for me. And this is one of the biggest benefits of building your entire business on the Hostinger platform. All of the AI tools work together seamlessly, saving you even more time and also saving you a ton of money. Because look, here you can see that creating your Hostinger AI agent account literally costs a fraction of what other AI platforms cost. I know this because I've pretty much tested all of them. Hostinger literally costs less per month than grabbing a coffee and a donut at your favorite coffee shop. Now, if you know me, you know I love my Starbucks, but Starbucks can't make me a millionaire. So if you're on the fence, skip the coffee shop and go for the AI agents. But on top of that, with Hostinger, you get access to all of these other AI tools all in one platform. You can build websites, vibe code apps, and automate your business tasks with AI agents, which I'm going to show you next. Being able to automate tasks is the best part, in my opinion, and why I saved it for last. But first, let me show you real quick how you can create your Hostinger account in case you want to follow along with me or test this out yourself. So to create your Hostinger AI agents account, you're going to come to this website right here. I also added a link down in the description. No pressure to use my link, but there's also a discount code that you can use to get an extra 10% off if you really want to take this seriously. All you have to do is choose the plan that you want. The longer the subscription, the cheaper it is, as you can see here. Then from this screen, enter the discount code to get the extra 10% off, which you can see here. Then click continue to complete the sign up process and get access to all of the AI agents. Once you do that, you'll see your own AI agent dashboard like this. Now, everything I showed you up until this point required you to be sitting at your laptop. It still saved you hours or days worth of work, but you still had to manually ask the AI agents to do the task for you. But how people are turning their one-person businesses from $0 to million-dollar brands is by getting the AI agents to do automated tasks on their own while you're not sitting at your laptop. Let me show you how to do this with Hostinger's agents. If you look right here on the left menu again, you can see this option that says Jobs. When you click that button, it will take you to this screen, which looks like the other AI agent chat. But this agent does more than just chat with you. It can go and do the work for you while you walk away. Again, it's easier if I show you what I mean. And the example I'm going to use for this is email marketing automation. Here in the Jobs chat, I'm going to paste my website again and tell the agent what I want it to automate. This is my website. I sell digital planners for people with ADHD. I want you to create a scheduled task where every Tuesday at 12 p.m., you write a new marketing email promoting my digital planners on my website. Then I want you to send out the email to my email list through my MailChimp account. Then when I hit submit, you can see the AI agent gets to work planning out my scheduled task or automation for me. Now, as it works, it might need to ask you a couple clarifying questions to make sure it creates the task correctly. Like here you can see it's asking me which email list I want to use. Just answer the questions, then hit submit, and it will finish setting up the automated task. Now, before I show you its response, in order to do this, you'll have to connect your email marketing platform to the Hostinger agents through apps right here. I'll show you how to do that in just a second, so make sure you keep watching. But in a few seconds, you can see the agent not only created the automated task for me, but because Hostinger's agents are trained on how to build a business, which includes email marketing, I didn't even have to tell it how to write the emails. It already knew how to do this. Now, here you can see it scheduled this job to run every Tuesday at 12 p.m., just like I asked. But I want to run it now for you by clicking right here, just so you can see how it actually works and so you can see that it really will write and send your emails for you. Now, when the job has successfully run, you'll see this little red notification appear here in the Jobs button. And when I click on it, you can see my scheduled job is visible right here. And there's a message from my agent saying it has successfully run my job, telling me exactly what it did. Again, pause the video if you want to read this part. You can see the detailed instructions or prompt it wrote for this task. Then when I scroll down, you can see that it documented each step of the task as it completed it, with a final report saying that the email was sent to my list. And it did all of this in less than 60 seconds. I could never create an email plan, write the emails, and send them this quickly. But let me open my email to see if it actually did send it. Now here you can see I'm inside my email inbox, and here at the top of my inbox is my ADHD planner email that was sent by my agent. And when I open it, you can see the email it created for me, which also includes a direct link back to my website so people can actually buy my products. Now, this email is just a template, and in full transparency, I would probably tweak what it looks like on the next run. But again, the point is that the Hostinger AI agent did all of this in less than 2 minutes. I didn't have to create a detailed prompt, I didn't have to write an email, I didn't have to copy or paste anything, and I didn't even have to hit send. I just told it what I wanted done once, and it will now continue writing and sending marketing emails for me automatically as long as I leave this scheduled job running. And like I mentioned before, this is just one small example of what you can do with the Hosting Your Agent automations. You can also create automations with other apps as well, not just email. When I click here on the apps option from the left menu, there's literally over thousands of other apps that you can connect your Hosting Your Agents to. Apps like Notion, Instagram, Slack, Gmail, 11 Labs, HeyGen, and pretty much any other app you use to run your business, you can connect to your AI agents to access, review, analyze, create, and even automate tasks for you, just like I showed you. I could literally go on for hours showing you all of the ways that you can grow your business and automate these things with AI agents. But the point is, whatever tedious, time-consuming tasks that are holding you back from moving forward right now, or takes up too much time, that's what you want to outsource to your AI agents. If you want me to create a follow-up video with more advanced AI agent strategies that you can use to grow your one-person business, let me know in the comments. If enough people are interested, I'll create a follow-up tutorial. But the most important thing to remember is this: building a one-person business that not only makes you money, but also gives you free time relies entirely on how good you are at automating tasks. And the best way to do that is with AI agents. The more tasks that you can offload to your AI agents is more time that you can spend on more important things within your business. Or even better, the more time you can spend with the people you love, not working at all. Don't forget, the link to access Hosting Your Agents is down below, along with my discount code if you want to use it. And if you want even more help from me learning how to build a successful online business with AI, join my community. Inside, I share even more in-depth info and strategies on how to grow your business faster with AI, and even go live to answer questions in real time with my members. The link to join my community is also down in the description. Hopefully, I see you there.